Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a closer look at the king of the segment, the 2025 BMW M3 Competition Touring. With its incredible performance, stunning design, and impressive practicality, it's easy to see why this car is turning heads. Let's get up and close and personal and see what the fuss is all about. Starting with the front, the iconic kidney grills dominate the front of the M3 Touring, with precision designed slats that optimize airflow. These grills have really grown on us, from polarizing to now just part of the BMW DNA. Notice these aggressive air intakes that help feed the beast of an engine beneath the hood, plus the M Performance aero kits add an extra layer of visual aggression. Check out the new LED headlights, featuring a unique L-shaped design that's a signature M feature, adding to the M3 Touring's aggressive stance. The car rides on 19-inch M Sport alloys, which are visually striking and engineered for reduced unsprung weight and improved handling. Wrapped in Michelin Sport 4S tires for exceptional grip and traction. Can I do the interior? Stepping inside, the interior exudes a sense of premium quality with rich materials and a commanding presence that sets the tone for a luxurious driving experience. The M Sport seats offer a perfect blend of style, support, and comfort with distinctive M embossing and premium Alcantara upholstery. The large central screen dominates the dashboard, providing access to BMW's intuitive iDrive system and a range of features like navigation, entertainment, and driver assistance systems. Oh, it's got carbon on the dash as well? Yeah. Despite its performance focus, the M3 Touring is surprisingly practical with decent rear seat space and versatile 40-20-40 split folding rear seats, making it a great all-round option. Mind a couple ribs? Yeah. Yeah. The M3 Touring's distinctive design continues to the back with a unique combination of sleek lines and aggressive styling cues. The M Performance exhaust system adds a sporty touch with its quad exhaust outlets that not only look great but also produce a suitably throaty exhaust note. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 pushing 530 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. This is nice. I haven't seen one like this yet. The engine bay is neatly trimmed in carbon fiber for added weight savings and a premium look. Looks like a show car, you know those cars you see at SEMA and stuff.
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
It's dirty when it's clean.
Yeah, that's nice, man. Well, thank you. The BMW M3 Touring, a game-changing blend of stunning design, incredible performance, and practicality. But is it the ultimate high-performance estate? Let us know in the comments. Does the M3 Touring reign supreme, or is there another contender worth considering? Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.